Is your diesel engine losing power, making strange noises, or burning extra fuel? Then this video is exactly what you need. Today, we're revealing the complete secret of a perfect diesel engine oil flush that can clean sludge, improve engine performance, and extend your engine's life. Stay with us till the end because we'll also share expert tips most mechanics never tell you. If you love powerful engine maintenance hacks, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. Watch carefully, because one simple mistake during an oil flush can seriously damage your diesel engine. Now let's get started. Number 5. Triac Pro Engine Flush Oil-Based Deep Clean. Triac Pro Engine Flush Oil-Based Deep Clean Motor Oil Flush helps clean internal engine parts by removing sludge, carbon buildup, and harmful deposits that collect over time. This professional shop-grade formula is suitable for diesel and gasoline 4-stroke engines that need deep cleaning before adding fresh lubricant. The synthetic oil-based solution supports smooth circulation while helping protect important engine components during maintenance. Dirty lubricant systems can reduce oil flow and create resistance inside moving parts. Sludge buildup around piston rings, bearings, and valve train assemblies may affect engine response and overall performance. This engine flush works by dissolving contamination attached to internal surfaces while maintaining lubrication throughout the cleaning process. Cleaner passages can support better oil movement and smoother operation during daily driving. Many engines become sluggish because of restricted circulation caused by hardened deposits. Carbon accumulation may prevent piston rings from moving freely, which can lower compression and reduce power delivery. This cleaning treatment helps loosen stuck residue and supports improved ring movement inside the combustion chamber. Better circulation and cleaner internal parts may assist with restoring engine response and smoother performance. Turbocharged systems operate under high-temperature conditions where carbon residue can form quickly. The advanced formula includes anti-wear protection designed to reduce metal contact during the flushing cycle. ZDDP technology supports lubrication stability while contaminants remain suspended in the used oil before draining. This process may help reduce turbo-related deposit buildup associated with coking and heat exposure. The synthetic oil-based formula uses polar esters that penetrate hardened sludge and soften deposits attached to metal surfaces. Seal conditioning support may help maintain flexibility inside older engines exposed to long operating hours and heat. PIB succinimide technology keeps loosened debris suspended until the draining process is complete, helping remove contamination more effectively during maintenance. The 16 fluid-ounce bottle treats up to 10 quarts of lubricant capacity. Compatibility with conventional and synthetic lubricants makes the treatment suitable for many passenger vehicles, diesel trucks, commercial applications, and performance engines. The cleaner can be added directly into existing lubricant before an oil change. After idling the engine for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, the used oil is drained, the filter is replaced, and fresh lubricant is installed for cleaner engine operation. Number 4. Liqui Moly Pro-Line Engine Flush. Liqui Moly Pro-Line Engine Flush is designed to clean internal oil systems in gasoline and diesel engines before fresh lubricant is added. Engine contamination can build up over time because of heat, carbon residue, moisture, and old lubricant breakdown. Sludge and deposits inside lubrication passages may reduce oil circulation and affect overall engine operation. A dedicated engine flush treatment helps remove accumulated contamination and supports cleaner internal conditions during maintenance. Dirty lubricant systems can create resistance around moving parts such as bearings, valve train assemblies, and piston areas. Restricted circulation may reduce oil pressure and contribute to rough engine performance. This oil additive works by loosening harmful buildup inside the lubrication system so contaminants can drain out more effectively with the used oil. Cleaner oil pathways may support smoother operation and improved circulation after servicing. Gasoline and diesel engines used in buses, trucks, and commercial vehicles often operate under demanding conditions. Long driving hours, repeated heat cycles, and heavy workloads can accelerate sludge formation inside the engine. Internal contamination may collect around narrow passages where standard draining cannot fully remove residue. A deep cleaning treatment before an oil change may help clear harmful material from sensitive engine components. Gentle cleaning action is important for modern engines that contain seals, gaskets, and delicate internal materials. This formula is developed to remain neutral towards seals and installed engine components during the flushing process. Balanced cleaning chemistry helps dissolve deposits without exposing internal parts to aggressive reactions that may damage sensitive areas. Maintaining compatibility with different engine materials supports safer maintenance for both older and newer vehicles. Catalytic converter compatibility is also important for vehicles equipped with emission control systems. Engine cleaning products designed for modern lubrication systems should support proper operation without creating harmful residue that affects exhaust treatment components. This engine flush is suitable for applications requiring safe use with catalytic converters in gasoline and diesel systems. A 500 milliliter can is easy to use during regular maintenance intervals. The treatment is added to the existing lubricant before draining the old oil. After circulating through the engine for a short period, loosened sludge and contamination remain suspended in the used lubricant until removal. Once the draining process is complete, fresh lubricant and a replacement filter can be installed for cleaner engine operation and improved lubrication flow. Number 3. Zato RED Flush Engine Oil Flush Cleaner. Zato RED Flush Engine Oil Flush Cleaner is developed to clean internal engine systems by removing sludge, carbon deposits, and varnish buildup before fresh lubricant is added. Engines collect contamination during daily driving because of heat, combustion residue, moisture, and old lubricant breakdown. Over time, harmful material can block oil passages and reduce circulation inside important moving components. Deep cleaning maintenance helps prepare the engine for cleaner lubrication and smoother operation. This engine flush cleaner is suitable for gasoline and diesel engines that require internal deposit removal during regular servicing. Sludge buildup around piston rings, valve train assemblies, and bearings may create resistance and affect engine response. Restricted circulation can reduce lubrication efficiency and increase wear on internal surfaces. The cleaning formula works by dissolving harmful contamination so loosened debris can drain out more effectively with the used oil. Carbon accumulation may also interfere with piston ring movement and combustion sealing. Engines with stuck rings can experience rough operation, reduced compression, and weaker performance during acceleration. This treatment supports improved piston ring mobility by softening hardened deposits around critical internal areas. Cleaner components may help support smoother engine operation and improved cylinder pressure during regular driving conditions. Valve ticking and noisy operation can sometimes develop because of contamination inside lubrication channels and moving assemblies. By removing sludge and varnish buildup, the cleaning process may assist with restoring smoother movement throughout the engine. Cleaner internal conditions can support more stable oil circulation and better lubrication flow after maintenance is complete. Advanced revitalizing technology is designed to create a protective ceramic metal layer on internal engine surfaces. This protective support helps reduce friction between moving parts during operation. Lower friction levels may assist with smoother performance and long-term engine durability under demanding driving conditions. Acid buildup inside used lubricant can contribute to corrosion and internal contamination over time. The unique 2x total base number boost helps neutralize harmful acidic compounds that develop during engine operation. Improved acid control may help protect internal metal surfaces and support lubricant effectiveness during maintenance intervals. The 250 milliliter formula is compatible with synthetic, semi-synthetic, and mineral motor oils. Safe compatibility with catalytic converters and oxygen sensors makes the treatment suitable for many modern vehicles using advanced emission control systems. Vehicle owners searching for an engine oil flush cleaner often prefer solutions that support deep internal cleaning while remaining safe for sensitive engine components and lubrication systems. Number 2. Motor Power Care Engine Flush. Motor Power Care P0420P0430 Catalytic Converter Cleaner Kit is designed to support cleaner exhaust flow and improved engine operation by targeting carbon buildup, sludge, soot, and contamination inside critical vehicle systems. Modern gasoline engines can develop catalytic converter and oxygen sensor problems because of excessive deposits created during combustion. These issues may trigger warning codes, reduce fuel efficiency, and affect overall driving performance. A complete cleaning process helps remove harmful buildup from the exhaust tract and internal engine areas during regular maintenance. The cleaning kit combines fuel additive treatment, foam spray cleaner, and engine flush support to address contamination from multiple sources. Carbon deposits inside the catalytic converter and diesel particulate filter system may restrict airflow and interfere with proper exhaust operation. Soot accumulation can also affect oxygen sensor readings and reduce system efficiency. Cleaning treatments designed for exhaust maintenance may help restore smoother operation and support improved emissions performance. Poor fuel combustion and restricted exhaust flow often contribute to sluggish acceleration and reduced efficiency. Contamination inside the engine may also affect lubrication quality and create resistance around moving parts. The engine flush cleaner included in the kit helps remove sludge, residue, and varnish buildup from internal surfaces before fresh lubricant is added. Cleaner lubrication pathways may support smoother circulation and better oil flow throughout the engine. Varnish deposits around piston rings, valve train assemblies, and lubrication channels can increase oil consumption and reduce performance over time. By dissolving harmful buildup, the cleaning process may help restore proper movement inside important engine components. Improved circulation and cleaner internal conditions can support stronger compression and more consistent operation during daily driving. Acidic contamination formed during combustion may contribute to internal corrosion and lubricant breakdown. Neutralizing harmful acids inside the engine helps support cleaner metal surfaces and improved long-term operation. Cleaner conditions inside the lubrication system may also assist with reducing unnecessary wear caused by contaminated oil and restricted circulation. Fuel efficiency can decline when the catalytic converter and oxygen sensors become coated with carbon residue. Exhaust restriction may reduce airflow and affect combustion balance inside the engine. Thorough cleaning of the exhaust tract may help improve fuel delivery performance and support proper operation of emission-related components. The liquid formula is developed for vehicle owners looking for a complete maintenance solution that targets both engine contamination and exhaust system buildup. Cleaner internal surfaces and reduced carbon accumulation may help support smoother operation, improved and exhaust system buildup. Cleaner internal surfaces and reduced carbon accumulation may help support smoother operation, improved efficiency, and better engine response during regular driving conditions. Number 1. Motor Power Care Engine Flush and Oil System Care Additive. Motor Power Care Engine Flush and Oil System Care Additive is designed to support cleaner internal engine operation for gasoline, diesel, and hybrid vehicles. Engines develop sludge, varnish, and residue over time because of heat, combustion byproducts, moisture, and lubricant breakdown. Contamination inside lubrication passages can reduce oil circulation and affect engine response during daily driving. A dedicated engine cleaning treatment helps remove harmful buildup before fresh lubricant is added during maintenance. Dirty internal surfaces may restrict movement around piston rings, upper cylinder areas, bearings, and valve train assemblies. Reduced circulation can affect oil pressure and create additional resistance inside moving components. This engine flush cleaner works by dissolving sludge and loosened deposits so contaminants can drain out more effectively with used lubricant. Cleaner oil pathways may support smoother lubrication flow and more stable engine operation. Piston ring contamination can lower compression and reduce overall engine performance. Hardened varnish buildup around critical internal parts may interfere with proper movement inside the combustion chamber. Deep cleaning support helps loosen harmful material attached to metal surfaces and may assist with restoring normal ring mobility. Cleaner internal conditions can contribute to improved compression balance and smoother acceleration during regular driving conditions. Oil system maintenance is important for engines exposed to stop and go traffic, long operating hours, towing, or repeated high temperature driving. Sludge accumulation can develop faster under demanding conditions and may affect lubrication quality. By removing harmful contamination from internal surfaces, the cleaning process supports better circulation and cleaner engine operation between oil changes. Nanotechnology support is included to help protect moving components during regular operation. Reduced friction inside the lubrication system may assist with smoother performance and lower wear levels on important engine parts. Cleaner circulation pathways can also support more consistent lubrication throughout rotating assemblies and pressure-sensitive areas. Lifter noise and rough engine sound may develop when contamination affects lubrication flow around valve train components. Cleaner oil movement through internal passages may help reduce unwanted operating noise and support quieter performance. Maintaining proper lubrication conditions is important for engines that experience heavy workloads and frequent driving cycles. Rust and corrosion can form inside engines exposed to moisture and acidic contamination over time. Protective oil system care support helps reduce the effects of harmful buildup on internal metal surfaces. The 250 milliliter bottle is suitable for gasoline, diesel, and hybrid applications, making it useful for different vehicle types requiring regular lubrication system maintenance and internal engine cleaning.